Hey everyone, welcome to our deep dive into Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned warrior, we've got everything you need to know right here. Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord is an epic action RPG from Tal Worlds Entertainment. Step into the medieval world of Cauradia, where you can create your own character, lead massive armies, engage in intense diplomacy, and conquer territories to build your empire. Before you jump in, make sure your PC can handle the game. The minimum requirements are a Windows 7 64-bit operating system, an Intel i3-8100 or AMD Ryzen 3 1200 processor, 6 GB of RAM, and a graphics card like the Intel HD 630, NVIDIA GTX 660 GB, or AMD Radeon HD 7850 GB. You'll also need 60 GB of storage. For the best experience, it's recommended to have a Windows 10 64-bit system, an Intel i5-9600K or AMD Ryzen 5 3600X processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a graphics card such as the NVIDIA GTX 1060 3 GB or AMD RX 580 for gigabytes, along with the same amount of storage. So, what makes Bannerlord so awesome? First, there are real-time battles where you can engage in epic battles and sieges with hundreds of troops. You can also customize your hero and develop their skills and abilities. Strategic gameplay is a big part of the game, allowing you to manage your kingdom, strike deals, and control the economy. Speaking of economy, you can trade goods, handle supply and demand, and build your wealth. Plus, there's modding support, so you can explore endless possibilities with mods created by the community. To help you get started, here are some essential tips. Use your skill points wisely and tackle early quests to gain an edge. Train and command your troops effectively to dominate in battles. Buy low, sell high, and make a fortune. Build alliances and negotiate with factions to strengthen your position. Early on, aligning with a faction can provide protection and resources. Now, let's tackle some common questions. Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord is an action RPG set in a medieval world where you lead armies, conquer lands, and build an empire. Yes, you can play multiplayer. The game offers both single-player and multiplayer modes. While it's mainly a sandbox experience, there are various quests and storylines to explore. Tal Worlds regularly releases updates to enhance the game and add new content. And yes, the game supports mods, and the community has created many amazing ones to enhance your experience. Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord delivers an unmatched medieval adventure with its blend of action, strategy, and RPG elements. From epic battles to kingdom management, there's always something exciting to do in Cauradia. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gaming content. Happy adventuring!